Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install macOS in VirtualBox for Windows 10 machine. This video, guys, due to the audio issues, I have removed the audio and I have given the series of commands for you guys to understand. Let me know if you have any doubts at the end. Let's start the video. So guys, once the OS is installed, it will display like this. I have created my name as a macOS. That is the account creation. I've skipped that part in the video. It's just simple account creation, username and password. If you want to log in with your Apple ID credentials, you can. I've skipped that part. So finally, our macOS is now created. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.